Hi, welcome to Forex in 4. I'm Mike Conlon for FXEDU, and in the next 4 minutes, I'm going to show you the highlights of where the action is in today's Forex market. So let's get started. Good morning. Today is Wednesday, March 10th, 2010. This morning we're talking about the fundamentals in the currency market, and we're saying the fundamentals do matter. Okay, what we've had and what we've seen recently have been, global fears that there's going to be a major economic collapse somewhere along the way, and that the whole system was going to fall, and that's why you've been seeing trading action happen as it was. We talk about risk on, risk off, that sort of thing. But as global fears abate and people become more confident that the system is recovering, okay, that's really the time that the currencies with the good fundamentals do start to shine. So that's what we're going to look at today. We're going to talk about some of the countries and currencies that appear to be doing well, and the others that aren't doing so well. So let's take a look here. We're looking at the Aussie versus U.S. dollar. We talk about the Aussie a lot. As you can see here from the chart, just a nice little uptrend starting. Looks pretty good. It looks like it's going to retest the 2010 highs here in short order. What we've seen out of Australia is that they are going to be reporting their employment figures tomorrow, and it's expected to be positive again for 6 months in a row. I talk about Australia a lot. Everybody knows the economy is pretty good there. They have good interest. Now they're talking about actually raising interest rates in April, so that could be up to around 4.25% right now, which is way better than you're seeing at any of these other countries. The next one I want to take a look at is the Kiwi in New Zealand. We're looking at Kiwi yen right here, and they're talking about the the recovery going on in the Asian countries in the Pacific Rim, and that really benefits the Kiwi. They're going to come out with their interest rate decision tomorrow, okay, and while they're not expected to raise at this time, they may provide some language that's going to show that they're willing to do so in the near future. It's all going to depend on inflation, how growth's going on there. But right now the Kiwi sort of rides the coattails of the Aussie a little bit, and it's expected to do better going forward. And as you see here, we've seen some nice moves in the Kiwi. This is versus yen. I expect this to go a bit higher. We could possibly see a retest here to 66 in a couple of days' time. So let's see what happens here. Alright, so those are the good stories. Let's talk about the not so good stories. We all know what's been going on with the euro. Don't want to beat that to death. Everyone's saying, okay, the Greek thing's over. You don't hear much about the pigs anymore. Well, that remains to be seen, but it's going to be nice for the euro to take a step aside here for a moment. But the one that we want to look at is the pound. Okay, we're going to take a look at cable right here, and as you can see, it's in a pretty much a defined downtrend right here. Now trading under $1.50 here versus USD. So there's some problems going on in the UK. They just reported that their industrial figures, okay, and their manufacturing came in negative for the first time since August. So that doesn't really bode well for the UK economy. That means that they're going to keep rates lower. Also, the Bank of England's Adam Posen came out and he said that they're hoping that the bond purchase program that they had set up previously has been enough to help recovery. So while they're not ruling out further quantitative easing, it remains to be seen if the UK economy can recover. Okay, the next one we want to take a look at, last one we'll look at here, is the yen. In Japan, they're going to report their GDP figures tomorrow, and no one's really expecting it to be, showing gains. Right now, deflation is going on over there, so folks are, likely to continue to use yen to fund carry trades. So that's important. If you look here, you can see that USD yen's been trading sideways a little bit, but we're starting to see the start of a bit of an uptrend here. So we'll have to see what happens with this, but expect the yen to weaken going forward. So that's your Forex in 4. Good trading to all. As always, be sure to check out the written blog at www.fxedu.com to get complete coverage of today's Forex market. If you would like to learn more about how to trade the Forex market from professionals like myself, be sure to check out our affordable Forex trading courses. And if you're already a seasoned professional or aspire to be one, ask us how we can help you achieve your Forex goals.
go to www.fxedu.com to get started today.